Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction taking place in Draxhall. This is the commercial part of Draxhall. Along this strip you're going to find a lot of plazas, offices, the commercial side. Now all the way to the top left, that is where you find some of the residential homes. Thousands of homes. The Draxhall just exploded as a residential development. And the commercial part is catching up to keep pace with the residential part. Now on the right is a northern coastal highway. This road cannot manage the traffic that goes through or goes into and out of Draxhall. The road is actually going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. And a highway is also going to be built. Highway 2000 North-South leg, or the Edwards-Yaga Highway, is going to go from Miami Bay to Trelawney, and they will have an exit for Draxhall. And you can see the housing developments to the left. Now, Draxhall was originally a residential area. It was like a suburb of St. Anne's Bay. But the housing developments just got bigger and bigger, and now they're on average, if somebody's doing a development, it's probably 1,000 homes. So, and these are high-end homes, very expensive homes. The price for homes in this area is very high. So they needed more modern infrastructure. So that's why you see all these new plazas going up, and that store straight ahead now is Courts. Just to give you an example, Courts had a store in St. Anne's Bay and they had one in Ocho Rios. They closed the store in St. Anne's Bay and opened this one in Draxhall. KFC, #1 fast food chain in Jamaica. They have 2 stores in Ocho Rios, one in St. Anne's Bay, and they opened another one in Draxhall because the area is just growing so fast. And that plaza all the way at the top of the screen is actually the first plaza built in, Boot was the first one. This was the second plaza built in, one of the first plazas built in Draxhall. Very successful. It's fully leased out. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And you see the top left of the screen? Those are houses. Thousands of them. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.